morning, everybody. So we had a little weather surprise yesterday. I was sitting and editing a little bit and doing a few things for a client, and I heard some noise, and I couldn't figure out what it was, but after a while I realized my internet was gone, and let's go and check it out. It's right down here at the end of the street. Huh? No, is this your internet or somebody else's? Okay. That's interesting. Yeah, one cable hangs right down here, so this is it. And somebody made all right, guys, this is it here. Somebody made a lame attempt last night, I guess, to remove the tree, but the tree fell down on our internet connection, so that ended the good internet. And they started having some lame attempt to take it, but didn't finish it. So today, here's one fiber line, and one is right on the corner, or was right on the corner, and it's now gone. So that creates a little bit of an issue for work situation, but I'm going to try to figure it out here in the morning, as I need to be online daily between like 10 and 3. So I have no option to find something. PLDT said it'd be 3 to 4 days before they can get here and fix it. So be a long weekend with no internet. All right. Now we got to get him on now. We got to get him on exercising here. We got the evidence. Just a hair more, and then we can fold this thing over. Yeah, I talked to Mike yesterday. All right. Yeah, that tree was done for at the bottom. Look at this here. It was not held by much. It was all rod, you know. So when it snapped pretty quick. All right. All right. Clean up. Yeah. All right. Let's get a broom. I think that one will do the big stuff. Mr. Paco down there, he has the little broom. is not afraid of bending his back. All right, so all done. You're out. Yeah, yeah. They took out my fiber. They took out everything. I have no internet, no nothing. And I was unable. They don't answer their phone anymore, but only between 9 and 5. So emergency stuff, absolutely nothing. So it's probably going to take 3, 4, 5. No, they're not open to take reports. They're not open for customer support, technical support. Everything is closed.
This one?
Yeah.
What? Is it open?
No, PLDT is not. I've called them all night. You get into a phone system. For automated service, press 1. Do you want to know the balance of your bill? Press 2. That's it. I mean, it's ridiculous. Everybody uses COVID as an excuse for not working. That's all it is. It's like UPS sent a package from United States on June 5 to me. It was supposed to be here June 13. Has been rescheduled for delivery without being moved 3 times now by UPS, the biggest company in the world when it comes to international shipping. It's been rescheduled 3 times here. It ended with a local transport company.
UPS?
Yeah, but they have no drivers that delivers. And that's one of my cell phones for work and all kinds of stuff that I need for work, you know. So we'll see. We're gonna get back at them. All right, so let's look at the Filipino line engineering, right? Is that what we call it?
Yeah.
They call it Pancit Canton, like in electronics. I don't know if I can get it, but if you guys see this, right? Look at this. How they figure this harness out. It's beyond me, but it is Filipino engineering when it comes to cable. This is how it done all the way, you know, like streets going down. And in our case, they had actually, even though I told them not to, they actually put the line right through the tree. I said, don't do that. Go around the tree and tie it up, and they didn't do it. So here we are. Probably 5 days before I see internet. It's Saturday, Sunday tomorrow. I doubt they're going to come out. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, so due to that, I have some complications. So I got to move this little setup here over to a internet cafe and set it up today. So I'm going to be there trying to work with them, and we'll see how that's going to work. As the indicator on this one, I don't know if you can see it, but it's lit up with LOS, loss of signal. So no internet today. So I'm going to head on over there, pack this up and head on over there and see if that's going to work for me today. All right, so I have packed up my little PC, so I'm going to take that with me, and my workstation is going to be across the street in an internet cafe. If it all works, we don't know yet, but we're going to try, and we'll see what we can do. So I'm bringing my keyboard, mouse, speakers, or headsets, and other things, and I'm going to go over there and have it set up right now. So we shall see if it works. All right, so everybody's thinking now that it's time to take down the trees because you guys see how the wires is. You see where he's working over there. You got the wires hanging. Got the wires hanging in the trees. Look at his bundle, guys. It's just unbelievable how they can. I don't know how each company. I mean, this is PLDT, Globe, Smart, Converge, everybody, right? I mean, I don't. Yeah, how do they keep track of things? I guess what they do, every time they come in and somebody needs a change, they just run a new line. You have 100 lines in there. No use?
No use.
It looks like all the new lines are up there.
Fiber.
Yeah, fiber lines and stuff. Down here it's just old.
Yeah, all the telecom before.
Old lines, yeah. That's crazy. Anyway, I'm set up over there, so I'm gonna head over to my new workstation. Got to bring my coffee. My cup. And take the lock and try to lock up the house. Nobody's home, including my wife. She left too. All right, back to work. All right, so I am right on the corner here. This little internet cafe, it doesn't look like much, but this guy has the stuff together, I'm telling you. He's probably have 20, 25 computers here. He's fully booked all the time. And it's called the Angry Zombies Internet Cafe. So we're gonna make an entrance in here and see the setup. Alright, so it's a little dark in here, but here's my little setup. And it's a pretty decent place. You got it all set up. Tons of computers, and kids come here and do a lot of gaming. So I'm gonna go back to work. Just want to show you guys what a tree falling down can create. Alright guys, so an eventful day is about to end. Yeah, it looks empty without that big tree in front of this building. The middle apartment there is where we live. And they have chopped it up and put it here and took some of it away, and the rest is here for pickup, I guess. So this is the ending of an eventful day. Across the street is where I work today. Worked pretty good actually, working there. And back in there we have our chicken vendor, a guy that comes here every day. It's pretty good fried chicken actually, so that'd probably be my dinner for today. So anyway guys, eventful day, and we are going to wrap this one up. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.